ইংরেজি সংবাদ।
Assalamu alaikum. 6:05 p.m. This is Bangladesh Betar Rajshahi, broadcasting on the evening of Wednesday, the 24th of Ashar, the 22nd of Muharram, and July the 8th. The news read by Alamin Islam Imon. The weekly public hearing program at Rajshahi Deputy Commissioner's Office is helping resolve complex and public interest complaints. It is also providing humanitarian assistance and government grants to helpless and underprivileged people across the district. The initiative is benefiting people from all walks of life and contributing to reducing the backlog of cases in courts. Rajshahi Deputy Commissioner Qazi Shohidul Islam conducts the hearing every Wednesday. Today was the scheduled day for the weekly public hearing. Nearly 50 service seekers attended the program and presented their complaints, expectations and requests. People from different parts of the district sought assistance regarding land disputes, medical support, disability-related issues, unemployment and financial hardship, and Deputy Commissioner listened to their concerns and provided necessary guidance and support. After the hearing, cases were referred to the relevant offices, including the Superintendent of Police's Office, District Council Auto Development Board, District Registrar's Office, Upajala Nirbahi Officer's Office, Land Offices, District Social Services Office, and Civil Surgeon's Office for further action. The Bangladesh Auto Development Board has started re-excavating 15 canals in Bogura that lost navigability due to siltation over the years. Officials said nearly 30-kilometer project is part of a master plan to restore rivers and canals across the district. They also said works on 4 canals has been completed while 7 are under excavation and 4 are awaiting implementation so far. Executive Engineer Mahmoud Hassan said the project will help improve irrigation facilities, conserve rainwater and reduce waterlogging, bringing significant benefits to local farmers and agriculture. Pabna District Police have arrested 23 people in special operations conducted to curb drug trafficking and other criminal activities across the district. Pabna District Police confirmed the matter in a press release issued this morning. According to the statement, regular drives are being conducted against drugs, terrorism, juvenile gangs, gambling and other crimes. Pabna Superintendent of Police MD Sofiullah said police are maintaining a zero-tolerance policy on law and order. He added special operations will continue and be further intensified to ensure public safety and bring offenders under the law. Authorities said legal action has been taken against the arrested individuals through regular cases, summary trials and mobile courts. A public agricultural loan distribution program and customer gathering have been held in Nauga. The program was organized under the title Agricultural Loan Distribution and Customer Assembly 2026 at Shonali Bank Dhamurhat branch today. General Manager of Shonali Bank's Rajshahi region, MD Shaukat Jaman said Shaukat Jaman attended the event as the chief guest. During the event, agricultural loans worth 6 lakh taka were distributed among 6 customers, 28 lakh among 3 customers, and freedom fighters loans or 30 lakh taka among another 3 beneficiaries. Bank officials said Shonali Bank is now providing smarter and more efficient services across the branches with primary goal of ensuring hassle-free customer service within a short time. Deputy General Manager of Nauga Principal Office Qazi Mehdi Hassan, Senior Principal Officer Jahangir Alam and other bank officials were also present. A total of 1,670 small and marginal farmers have received free fertilizer and seeds under the government's 2025-26 Agricultural Incentives Program at Kamarkhandu Upazila in Sirajganj. The assistance was provided to boost cultivation and production during the Kharif 2 season. Upazila Nirbahi Officer Dr. Bipasha Hossain presided over the event at the mini auditorium of Kamarkhandu Upazila Porishod under the initiative of the Department of Agricultural Extension today. At that time, 1,000 farmers received Amon Paddy seeds, DAP and MOP fertilizer. Another 20 farmers were provided with hybrid chili seeds, fertilizers and pesticides, while 650 farmers received seeds of 7 varieties of summer vegetables along with fertilizers. Department of Political Science emerged champions, while the Department of Public Administration finished runners-up in the inter-department basketball tournament of the University of Rajshahi. Vice-Chancellor Professor M.D. Faridul Islam distributed prizes among the winners at a ceremony at the administration building conference room today. A total of 25 teams participated in the competition. Pro-Vice-Chancellor Professor M.D. Abdul Alim, chairpersons of the Political Science and Public Administration departments, Administrator of the Public Relations Office Professor S.M. Kamruzaman, among others, were also present. Finally, weather. The highest temperature in Rajshahi was 33.2 degrees Celsius and the lowest temperature was 27.7 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity was 74% at 3 p.m. today. Sunset in Rajshahi and adjacent areas today will be at 6:58 p.m. And that's the end of the news. Our next bulletin will be at 6:45 p.m. in Bangla.